Hello everyone, let's learn how to get verified on TikTok. Whether you're creating TikTok videos for fun, as an influencer, or on behalf of a brand, chances are you're worried about your hard work being stolen by bad actors. Add to that the blue verified mark and be authentic. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open TikTok app on your device, and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, go on your profile by tapping on little profile icon in bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the side menu, and you need to go on Settings and Privacy. Then you will come on Settings menu, and next go on first option, Account. Now TikTok will send you on this menu, with couple option. Then some users will have an option to verified own profile right now. Users who have verification option need to click on that option, and TikTok will send you on menu to submit request for verification, and you need to complete some requirements and TikTok will send you mail in 3 days whether you are approved or not. But if you didn't have that option, go back of this menu, and going to scroll to the bottom of the page to support section. When you do that, go on support. Next, go to Help Center by tapping on it. Now we are come on Help Center of TikTok, and we need to click on search bar and type verification. Then click on first field, verified accounts on TikTok. Now on this menu you can read the rules of TikTok for verification. It have a lot of rules, but I will tell you a basic one. First, you need to have over 18 years. Then you need to have a logged in within the past 6 months, and your account need to be a public, and your account need to have multi-factor authentication with a verified email, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.